Hi everyone, I'm back again to show you yet another strategy for long division. This strategy is called the digit by digit method, and this is what your parents used to do when we were in school. This is the only method I learned as a kid. So might seem a little confusing at first, but we're going to start to try to help us out by putting the steps. We're going to divide, multiply, subtract, and then one more step to bring down. And you're going to set up the problem just like you would for the expanded notation method with the dividend on the inside and the divisor on the outside. And we're going to start with the divide step by asking how many 3's can fit into 7 and ignore the 16 right now. And I know that 2 3's can fit into 7, so I've done the divide step. Now I'm going to multiply 2 times 3 and write it right underneath the 7, which is 6. And I've done the multiply step. Now I'm going to subtract, and I get 1. And now I'm going to bring down the next digit, the tens digit, and divide again. So that was my bring down. Now I'm going to go back up and start over again with this new amount that I have down here. So now it's how many 3's can fit into 11, and that's 3. And now I'm done dividing. Now I multiply what I just wrote up there. 3 times 3 is 9. And I'm going to subtract, sorry, that was the multiply step. And I'm going to subtract 11 minus 9 is 2. That was the subtract step. And lastly, I'm going to bring down the next digit, the ones digit, to make 26. And now we're going to go back up and start over again. So how many 3's fit into 26? 8 of them do. 8 times 3. 8 is what I just wrote up here, so that's what I multiply. And I got 24. Now I'm going to subtract 26 minus 24. And I have nothing left to bring down. So if you look over here, we're all out of digits. We use the 7, we use the 1, we brought down the 6. So that means we're all done. We have nothing to bring down. And that means I have a remainder of 2. So my final answer for this long division problem is 238 with 2 left over, which means I have a remainder of 2. Thanks for tuning in. That's the digit by digit method.